बहती हुई दुनिया इशारे दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं, जादुई मारते हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ, खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ।
खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ।
Hello everyone, welcome to my new dance tutorial. Today I am going to teach you the second dance part of the tutorial, Kho Gaye Hum Kahan. Yeah, first part I have already done uploaded. Okay, now let's do the second part. Okay, but before we moving ahead, let's do the revision all the steps. Yeah, go on. First position, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Next, left hand drop on the floor. Turn your right knee inside, hands back, kick your both legs. Yeah. Cool. After this, you have to keep, okay, 1 and 2. Okay, let's do again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, kick and 1. Okay, let's move on the next step now. So, next step you have to keep your left leg behind, right hand up, left leg straight, stretch your body up, drop, turn, turn, turn. Yeah, फिर से दिखा दो. 5, 6, stretch your left leg straight, left leg back, right hand stretch, right leg on the like this, left leg straight. So 1, 2, stretch your body down and drop. फिर से दिखा दो. 1, 2. My right hand is up, my left hand on the floor, my left leg straight, my right knee up. Yeah. Then drop your body. Now take a roll on the floor like this. When you're going on the roll, you have to keep your hands like this. Yeah. And then see, my legs are like this. It is not like this. So you have to lift your leg. Yeah. And turn. So you are coming like this. Okay. अगर आपका पोजीशन ऐसे है तो आप ऐसे नहीं आ पाओगे. So whenever you are doing the roll, you have to lift your leg like this. Lift your shoulder up. Yeah. Don't sit like this. So lift it like this. And turn. After turn, drop your. Okay, I'm coming this side a little bit. After turn, drop your left leg on the floor. drag your right leg, then take a reverse back. फिर से दिखा रहा हूं, left leg drop, drag your right leg, then take a reverse. Now जैसे आपने लेफ्ट लेग ड्रॉप किया था, सेम आपको राइट लेग को ड्रॉप करना है एंड लेफ्ट लेग को ड्रैग करना है एंड देन खड़े हो जाना है. सिंपल. लेट्स डू वन मोर टाइम. 5 6 7 गो. 1 2 3 4. Done. Let's do revision again from the second patch. So 5 6 7 go. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Yeah, clear? All clear? Let's try all the step from the beginning. फिर उसके बाद हम थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ेंगे. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 1 2 3 and go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Drag and come back and get up. Okay, this much clear. Let's move on to the next patch. So next patch you have to keep your left leg behind, take a turn, lift your leg, step back. 5 6 7 go. 1. With this you have to use your hands like 1. Yeah, very simple. Let's try. 5 6 5 6 7 go. 1 2. Now use your hands. 1 2. So use your left leg to take a step back. 5 6 7 go. 1 2. Again. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. Yeah. Now right hand, use your right hand like this. Okay. Left hand. So right hand के ऊपर left hand रखना है. You have to drag it. Okay. And use your body. 1 2. Join your leg. Simple. Again. 5 6 7 go. Left leg back. Take a turn. Left leg up. Drop your body towards the left side. Keep your hands like this. 1 2. Join your leg. Clear? Let's do one last time. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Join your leg. Let's move on to the next step. So take a right leg back and join. With this you have to use your hand, right hand like this. Yeah. So this step you have to do 2 times. Ready? 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. And now shift right, shift left. Okay. Again. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I think काफी ज़्यादा steps हो चुके हैं. So let's try all the steps without music from the beginning till here. Revision. Okay. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then drag, reverse, left leg drag, get up, left leg back, turn, left leg up, open towards the left side. 1, 2, join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super. इतना क्लियर हो चुका है. So there is only little bit more step. So this class song will be finished. Let's try. Come on. So we are here. You have to use your hands like 1 and 2. So with this you have to lift your leg. Left leg up. Sorry, right leg up. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Yeah. 1. You can keep your leg straight also. You can bend down also. Whatever you're comfortable. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'm doing? I'm using my right hand like this, using my left hand like this. It was going to roll towards the left side and joining hand. So it is moving like 1 clockwise. Clockwise. With this you have to use your body. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Bend your knees. Open, close, left hand, right hand. Yeah, let's do again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close. 1, 2. Just like you are going to holding something. 1, 2, and join your leg. Open your hands. Very simple. And now go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And come closer. Go down. Keep your hands on the knee. Keep your hands on the floor and sit like this. Let's go again. 5, 6, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. So you have to take a right leg on the floor. 3, 4, and 1. Yeah, so this is the last position. Let's do again from the third para. Last patch से revision करते हैं. Okay, so उससे पहले हमने क्या किया था? हम लोग एक बार revision करेंगे. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ha! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn, sit. Okay, all the steps are finished. Let's do last time revision from the beginning till here on countdown. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, up, kick, open. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drag and back, drag and get up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Join. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And sit. Okay. So, finally, the choreography of part of this song finish. Let's try all the steps on the music. Yeah? Go on.
रूह से बहती हुई दुनिया इशारे दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं, जादुई मारते हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ। खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ।